Hi, this is Sulagna. I will talk about three different types of map and their corresponding scale, projection, and coordinate. The first, I'll talk about the magnitude of earthquake that hit Japan between April 2016 and May 2016. Uh, First, I will talk about scale. In upper left side, we see that in the map is focusing on small portion of the area. This part is showing the different magnitude of earthquakes. This is a large scale map because small areas are shown but with more details. In this map, graphical bar scale is used which signifies that 1 inch is equivalent to 10 kilometer. Here the scale is important because it helps to accurately measure the exact location of the earthquake, and also this graphic bar will adjust as the extent of the map change. Second, projection. Here in Japan earthquake map is using the plane projection surface, as we see that the projection surface is tangent to the globe. Map projections are classified based on the spatial property they preserve, such as distance, area, shape, and direction. Here in this map, shape is preserved. Thus, we conclude that this map has used conformal map projection to resolve shape and angle of the map, but it has distortion. Now about coordinate. Latitude and longitude coordinates, which is also known as spherical coordinate, use the measure of angle or degree from both the center of the earth. Here in this map, the earthquake coordinate are between 22.6 to 22.8 degree north and 32.6 to 130.8 degree east. This is also called the decimal degree coordinate. GPS uses this coordinate to measure exact location. The second map is about Erie County map, New York, USA. The map is about some of the main attractions of the city in Erie County of New York. In the scale From the scale perspective, we can see here in this map is using the graphical bar scale, which helps to quickly compare those distance with map distances to determine ground distance. This graphical bar scale is from 0 to 12 miles. This is a large scale map because it is displaying details about the place. This graphic bar will adjust as the extent of the map change. This large-scale map provides some of the detailed information about the city, airport types, and the highway information. This scale is effective for providing data details information about the particular location. Projection. Um, Map projections are based on spatial properties such as distance, area, shape, and direction. Here in this map is using the plane projection surface, as we see that the projection surface is tangent to the globe. Here conformal map projection is used in the map to preserve shape and angle. The drawback of this is it has distortion. Coordinate. Here in this map, it is using planar coordinate, which is also called the state plane coordinate system. All the zones are within the United States and defined within political boundaries. State plate zone used a specialized projection to fit the shape and the orientation of the zone contained within that state. The use of the projection surface is to minimize scale distortion caused by the projection. Thus, here these zones are based on a cylindrical projection surface. Next, I will talk about the map 3, that is the distance between Washington to Baghdad. In this map, graphical bar scale is used. It helps to quickly compare this distance with map distance to determine the ground distance. The scale is from 0 to 11,600 miles, so that the distance was calculated using the map, which is 8,415 miles from Washington to Baghdad. This graphical bar will adjust as the extent of the map change. This is a small scale map which showing large overall area but with less detail. This small scale map provides the distance or route between the two cities with the help of graphical bar. Second, the projection. This map is using the equidistant projection. It preserves true distance in some direction, such as calculating distance between Washington to Baghdad. This is also the use of conical projection surface, as it preserves the proportion of area, thus result in distortion in angular conformity. Coordinate. Here in this map, the UTM coordinate system is used. The advantage is its ability to internationally reference any point on Earth via a planar coordinate system. However, it is not useful in situations where a geographical referencing system is needed across an entire political or jurisdictional entities. Thank you for watching the video.